Yo guys, what's up? It's Ricky, and today I'm going to teach you 3 house dance combos. Now here are all 3 of the combos, and these, I've titled it beginner, but all levels of house dancer can use these combos. They're great for beginners to learn to get you straight into it, but yeah, anybody can learn these combos, yeah? So let's get straight into the first combo. So the first combo utilizes some heels. So what we're going to do, from this point here, the video has been mirrored. Those of you who watch know I almost always forget that. So if I say right, you're doing right. If I say left, you're doing left. It makes everything easier, yeah? So we're going right heel, left heel, then we're going right heel out, right foot and toe, left foot and toe, yeah? So it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. I know it looks kind of funny slow, but trust me, it looks good when you do it. From here, you're gonna hop onto right heel, and left foot's coming in behind, hit. So you hop onto that right heel from here, left foot comes in behind, you step left, step right, try and be on the balls of your feet here, nice and high up, so you can bounce to the other side, because you're gonna bring left foot across, right heel's coming behind, so you're gonna bring that right foot in behind your knee, and step right back, left back, yeah? So nice and slow, we go right heel, left heel, right heel, left heel, right toe, left toe, hop, step, step, hop, step, step, yeah? One more slow, so we go right heel, left heel, right heel, left heel, right toe, hop, step, step, hop, step, step. And from this point, it's right foot that hops across, and then left foot that hops across here, yeah? Your full speed of that if you want to give it a go. 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1 and 2 and heel, heel, toe, toe, hop, step, step, hop, step, step, yeah? Nice, and make sure you stick along to the end, so we'll do all of these combos with the music, and we'll recap them all slow as well, so we got them good, yeah? Nice, there's combo number 1 done. Combo number 2, we utilize a gallop and a skate and a turn. So what you're gonna do for this one is you're gonna hop right foot, step left foot, hop right foot, tap left foot, and you're gonna kick that left foot out. So you're re-hopping on right foot as you kick left foot out, yeah? Now if you've never done a gallop, don't worry, this might be a little confusing, but you can rewind it back, get this one good, yeah? So hop on right foot, step on left foot, hop out on right foot, tap left foot, you're gonna kick that left foot out. Now from here, you're gonna hop onto left foot, as right foot skates around towards the back, and you're gonna kind of fake out, because most people when they skate around here, they'll turn, but what you're gonna do now, is you're gonna hop on this right foot, skate back towards the front with left, and from here, you're gonna sweep it in, and do 1 or 2 spins. And when you sweep it in, bring that left foot to your right foot, and turn, jump it out. If you're doing 1 spin, or turn, jump it out if you're doing 2 spins, yeah? So nice and slow with that gallop one, so we hop right, step left, hop right, tap left. Kick left, hop on left, skate right, hop on right, skate left, turn, jump it out. Nice. And quicker, it's 5, 6, 7, 8, hop, step, hop, tap, kick, skate, skate, turn, out. Boom. There's combo number 2 done. Combo number 3, we got some jacks, a sidewalk variation, and a foundation sidewalk. So you'll like this one, yeah? So this one's a nice groovy one. You can start your set with this one, because you're kind of warming up to the beat. So we're going 2 side jacks. So we're hitting jack, jack, up jack. From here, you're going to step right behind, left to the side. You're going to hop on right and kick left. And you're going to tap the floor with your right hand. So usually, we just kick, but for this one, as you kick, you tap down to the floor. And you step left behind, right out to the side. You're going to hop on left, and then just kick right. Finish it with a foundation sidewalk, yeah? Nice. Let's go that one nice and slow again. So we go side jack to the right, side jack to the left, big up jack. Take 2 counts on that up jack, yeah? And step right, left, hop and tap, step left, right, and kick, yeah? And that one quicker, 5, 6, 7, 8, side, side, up, jack, step, step, kick, step, step, kick. Boom, yeah? Nice. There's all 3 combos. So let's recap them nice and slow, and then we'll go with the music, yeah? So the first one was our heels combo. So we heel, 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 toe, toe, hop, step, step, hop, step, step. Next is our gallop combo. So we hop, step, hop, tap, kick, skate, skate, turn, out. After that was our jacks combo. So we side, side, up jack, step, step, kick, step, step, kick. Boom, nice. Okay, let's go. As always, 3 times of the beat. Let's do it. Okay, so we'll go all 3 of these combos, slow first, then quick on each one of them, yeah? So first one, nice and slow, with the heels, heel, 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 toe, toe, hop, step, step, hop, step, step, yeah? Now nice and quick, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, nice, good. Now the gallop combo, nice and slow. So hop, tap, kick, skate, skate, turn, out, yeah? Nice and quick, nice and powerful, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, nice. Okay, now the last combo with the jacks. So we hit side, side, up. Then we're hitting step, step, hit, step, step, kick. Yeah? Now nice and quick. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, nice. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, hit that like button. If you're not already, smash that subscribe button. Click here to jump on the channel, here to jump on your next lesson. Catch you on the next one.